guys, we are here in Gran Canaria, and then we stay in Princess Resort, and then I will show it to you guys, our room. Yeah, our room 559. Hello, Senor. Buenas tardes. Yeah, this is our room, guys. Yeah. Yeah, buenas tardes, Senor. And this is our room. It's really nice. Yeah. And comfortable. Yeah.
Just about to ask you, do you speak English?
Yeah. And then that's the. Yes. Okay. The comfort of my senior, and they have their complimentary. Señorita, señorito. That's the complimentary. Yeah, and they have their small fridge here, guys, that you can go to grocery and put something. Yeah, and then yeah, beer or whatever, and then they have their wardrobe here, and then the safety. They have here the safety. Yeah. Very nice. And then this is the toilet, clean and tidy, nice and clean. The shower, yeah. And here, if you here for the shower, and then it will go there. Yeah, it's here, and then that. Okay, and then it's nice. It's spacious and big and clean, tidy, and very nice. Yeah, and we have the mirror, and no need to bring your blower because they have provide. Yeah, no need. You have everything is there. And then that's it. And the weather here is very nice, February. Okay, and this is the balconaje. Very nice for two. Yeah, that's our view. That's the beach. Yeah, it's really hot today, guys. I can feel the heat. That's the beach. That's the overlooking. Yeah. Okay. And that's the pool downstairs. Yeah, the pool. There, the stage, and the restaurant. Yeah, it's nice view here, guys. We have a nice view. Yeah, it's really nice. Nice. Nice and clean. Yeah, it's huge though. Yeah, very nice. That's all, guys, here in Princess Hotels del English, Gran Canaria. English, yeah. Okay? English, yeah. And then we have our half board, breakfast, and evening meal. Okay, that's all for the meantime, guys. This is in Gran Canaria, Princess Hotel. Bye for now.
Bye, darling.
That's it. Okay. Bye, guys. Bye.